Hi, I'm Brody.
Hi, I'm Lily. And we're Lucas and Friends. Let's make the shapes square. Good job. It's a square. Square. Window. Circle. Perfect.
Well done!
It's a circle. Circle. Sunflower. Triangle. Nice. It's a triangle. Triangle. Set square. Let's have some fun. Release this balloon on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Rectangle. Perfect. Good job. It's a rectangle. Rectangle. Bone. Oval. Nice.
Well done!
It's an oval. Oval. Egg. Woohoo! Pentagon. Perfect. Good job. Nice. It's a pentagon. Pentagon. Signboard. Peekaboo. 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 Semicircle. It's a semicircle. Semicircle. Rainbow. Crescent. It's a crescent. Crescent. Leaf. Woohoo! Rhombus. Perfect.
Well done!
It's a rhombus. Rhombus. Kite. Woohoo! Let's have some fun. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Heart. Nice. Good job. It's a heart. Heart. Leaf. Woohoo! Star. It's a star. Star. Starfish.